Yeah, you might not want to close this weekend. I feel like the beer garden will open up and, patios will be packed with people getting in on the sunshine and the warmth. We've got sunshine and warmth today. It'll feel pretty nice out there through the afternoon. Some high and mid-level clouds moving in across the state as we speak, and those will just continue to increase through the afternoon and evening hours tonight. We're near 70. A lot of us already at 70 for the lunch hour now. As we go into the late afternoon and early evening, temperatures topping out in the low 70s. Again, more clouds moving in, but we should be quiet here as we head into your Wednesday afternoon. Temperatures running about 10 degrees warmer than this same time yesterday, on track to be warmer than yesterday afternoon by several degrees. Upper 60s in Boone. We're at 70 right now in Ames, mid 60s out towards Newton as well as Pella, and we're at 71 over in Perry. A comfortable evening ahead, but more clouds will build in, and that will keep our temperatures fairly mild overnight tonight. We'll drop down into the low 50s as we head closer towards 2 and 3 o'clock in the morning. But if you have plans this evening, comfortable into the upper 60s, still near 70 by 7 and 8 o'clock this evening. Winds today not too bad, so there's no issues with debris flying around or loose items on your patio getting swept away by the wind. That does change though tomorrow. Our wind gusts increase substantially here as we head into Thursday, even into tomorrow morning. We've got gusts already Thursday morning up to 30 to 35 miles per hour for places like Des Moines and Lamoni. Sustained winds up to 20 to 25 miles per hour here through the afternoon. Some wind gusts likely higher than this, anywhere from 35 to 40 to maybe even 45 miles per hour on the high side tomorrow afternoon. So it will stay breezy with clouds. There's a chance for a few very light showers across the area tomorrow afternoon, and we could even squeeze out a sprinkle here tonight, but the clouds will stick around for the start of the day on Thursday. And again, we've got a few light showers popping up here across north central Iowa and into eastern portions of the state through tomorrow morning. Most of the rain is out of here, or at least east of I-35 as we go into the lunch hour tomorrow, and then we dry out by tomorrow evening. But again, this rain is going to be fairly light, and we're looking at maybe 1/10 of an inch for some of those higher amounts if you get under one of these showers. Here's what it looks like as far as the rain tracker goes. This is through early Friday. Few hundredths of an inch for a lot of places, maybe 1/10 of an inch, again, under some of those heavier showers. Otherwise, today's forecast back to the 70s. More clouds building in, so filtered sunshine here for lunchtime, and then fairly cloudy by the afternoon and evening. Tonight, winds will pick up, but it stays mild. Everyone's sitting back into the low to mid 40s overnight. Tomorrow, a little bit cooler by about 10 degrees or so. Low 60s in central Iowa. We're talking upper 50s in Algona and Fort Dodge tomorrow afternoon. 8-day forecast keeps us in the low 60s on Thursday. Mid 60s Friday. We kind of warm things up again, and then we're talking near 80 or at 80 by Saturday and Sunday, even into Monday of next week. Better chance for some storms though across Iowa as we head into Monday afternoon, lingering into the day on Tuesday.